We're here to talk about the BBI index for May. The BBI index was down 0.3, so not good. It's another month of down comp sales. When you look into it a bit though, you say that is it just me or is it others? When you look at our top quartile was 4.2% up in comp sales and 2.8% up in traffic. So there's still companies doing very, very well out of this index of almost 25,000 restaurants. So what's the rest of what's going on? Well, what's going on is it the economy or the consumer? And we think it's a little bit of both. The consumer certainly has a lot more options and the economy seems to be slowing down a bit. When you look at it from the industry standpoint, how do we compete with grocery stores? Grocery stores are holding their prices down. We've got a very favorable market in terms of commodities, and grocery stores are doing a lot better job of holding their prices down versus what we're doing in restaurants with our growth in average check. Is it a regional problem or a national problem? It really is pretty widespread. However, if you look, there are regions that are doing worse, and typically those are the ones that are impacted by the energy situation. However, on the flip side of it, New England is doing well and California is doing well. Finally, from a segment standpoint, QSR clearly is the winner, both on a comp sales perspective and on a real sales basis in terms of market share. So on a segment basis, QSR is clearly winning the battle with the rest of the segments, and it's driven by this value proposition that they've created, whether it's through their deals or the pricing overall. They clearly are taking advantage both on a comp sale basis, but we also saw in our market share report in BBI for the first quarter, they were the winners in market share. They gained 1.5% in market share, and fine dining was flat. Everybody else is negative, with the worst being casual dining at a 1.2% share loss. So there is a lot going on in our industry. It's a share of stomach game with a lot of competition, not just within the restaurant industry, but within groceries, convenience stores as well. A good game to be fought. You want to be in that top quartile.